Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we're up overnight, adding a little premium in the marketplace from last week's lows on a couple of things. Number one, USDA did drop the crop ratings overnight, and number two, the long-range maps are warmer and drier than probably what the crops need. As far as prices overnight, we've got beans up around 14 cents. We're at 10.11. And I think that the market will struggle as we try to get above 10.40 because of the large global supply of beans. Just like we found support maybe at the 9.75 area until we know more about the U.S. crop conditions and what kind of crop size we have. We did see one person suggest that the crop is probably around 4.2 billion bushels. The government was at 4.26, so we need a lot lower crop than that if we're going to push prices over resistance. In the corn, we're up about 11 cents in the December, around 3.99. Again, finding support at 3.80, but should be a lot of selling above 4.10. As far as private estimates, some people think the crop could be closer to yield of 165. That would be a crop of 13,760 million bushels. The government's at 14,255. The problem with that being supportive is that we got a lot of corn from last year's crop, and our export demand is slowing. So we might stay in that trading range unless the crops deteriorate. USDA estimated the corn crop at 64% good to excellent. Last year we were at 76. The best crop is in Minnesota. Crops decline in South Dakota, Iowa, and parts of the eastern Midwest. As far as the bean crop, it's rated 61% good to excellent. Last year was 71. And your best crops, again, Minnesota and the Delta, and the crops dropped a little bit in the center part of the Midwest. But soybeans crops are made in August. Here again, we may not be able to pull above resistance given the large South American crop and the relatively slow export demand in global markets, both for beans and meal. So one risk manager said, you know, we go up when the funds want to buy, and we go down when the funds want to sell. And I guess today they want to buy and put a little premium back in the marketplace. So we're going to have to watch weather and the money flow to see just exactly how much more premium we want to put in this marketplace. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.